Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best oven air fry basket on the market, the OPENICE 15.6 by 11.6 inch large air fryer tray and pan set. If you're someone who loves crispy, delicious food but also values convenience and healthier cooking, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. This air fryer basket and tray set is crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a superior mirror finish that not only looks great but also reduces food sticking. Unlike traditional air fryer baskets that can trap oil and grease, the OPENICE design features a mesh basket with raised feet that promote 360-degree heat circulation. This means your food cooks evenly all around, achieving that perfect crunch on the outside while staying tender inside. And you don't even have to flip your food during cooking. Measuring 15.6 by 11.6 inches, this basket is large enough to handle family meals or entertaining guests without having to cook in multiple batches. Whether you want to crisp up French fries, roast juicy steaks, bake a pizza, or grill kebabs and vegetables, this versatile basket and tray set is up for the task. Plus, the tray underneath catches any drippings, grease, or crumbs, keeping your oven clean and minimizing mess. One of the standout benefits of this product is how it helps you cook healthier meals. The design allows excess oil and fat to drip away from your food, so you can enjoy your favorites with less grease. The non-stick nature of the stainless steel means you won't need to add extra butter or fats, making it easier to stick to healthier cooking habits without sacrificing taste. Cleaning up is also a breeze with this set. You can hand wash the basket and tray or pop them into the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. The package even includes 30 pre-cut parchment papers, which help prevent sticking and reduce the time you spend scrubbing. This thoughtful addition makes cooking with this basket not just healthy and efficient but also simple to maintain. The OPENICE air fryer basket is designed for convenience. Simply place your food inside, set the temperature and timer on your oven or stove, and let the basket do the work. It's perfect for busy individuals or families who want tasty, crispy meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Overall, the combination of high-quality stainless steel, large cooking capacity, healthy cooking design, and easy cleanup makes the OPENICE oven air fryer basket and tray set a top contender in the world of oven air fryer accessories. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting to explore air frying, this basket offers a great way to prepare a wide range of dishes with less oil and less fuss. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in making your oven cooking healthier and more efficient, the OPENICE air fryer basket might just be what you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.